Good afternoon everyone, myself Narita. Today I am going to explain about the evolution of wireless communication technology. Let me give an introduction about a wireless communication. The ultimate goal is to communicate with any type of information with anyone at any time and from anywhere also. This is possible with the aid of wireless technology itself. Now let me tell how the telecommunication work. Wireless communication works by transmitting information in form of electromagnetic signals through the air or a space. Wireless communication is a transmission of a voice and a data without a cable or a wireless. In the place of a physical connection, a data travel through an electromagnetic signals broadcast from a sending facilities to intermediate and end user device. Let me give an example for wireless communication, that is a radio, television, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, as you uses a daily. Wireless communication, there are types. There are two types. One is cellular network and wireless local area network. Now let me explain detail about these two types of wireless communication. At the first, it's a cellular network. A cellular network is an underlying technology for mobiles, phone and personal communication system, wireless networking, etc. The technology is developed for mobile radio and telephone to replace a high power transmitter or a receiver system. A cellular network uses a low power, shorter range and more transmitter for a data communication or a transmission. A wireless LAN, a second one. A wireless local area network, that is WLAN, is a wireless computer network that links two or more devices, usually using a wireless communication within a limited area such as a home, school and computer laboratory or an office building, as you have seen in your own colleges, schools, etc. This gives a user the ability to move around a local coverage area and yet still be connected to the LAN or a network. Display, that is a wireline LAN topologies where the server is connected to a switch, where the switches is divided into two hubs, and the hub are access point to all the laptops or computers, etc. And one more hub, it is a access point which is connected to the laptop, etc. and working group bridge in an office. This is a wireless LAN topology. Now let me tell why the wireless is so that important. When wired communication can be a most of the tasks that wireless communication can, why do we need wireless communication? The primary and important benefit of the wireless communication is on mobility. The main thing in wireless communication itself is a mobility. Apart from the mobility, a wireless communication also offer a flexibility and an easy of use, and which makes it increasingly popular day by day. Wireless communication like mobile telephony and can be a mode anywhere at any time or everywhere with a considerably high throughput and performance. The other important of this wireless is an infrastructure. Setup and installation of an infrastructure and a wide communication system is an expensive and time consuming job. The infrastructure for wireless communication can be installed easily and low cost. In an emergency situation and a remote location where the startup for a wide communication is difficult, and wireless communication is a viable option. This is why the wireless communication is very important. Let me give an advantages of a wireless communication. Let me give the advantages of a wireless communication. First of all, a remote area connectivity. A wireless communication make a possible for doctors, engineers and volunteers and servicemen and other professionals working in a remote area to keep a touch with each other. This is how the communication between each people go around. Provide a beneficial service in hazard or an emergency area. On the demand of an entertainment, with a wireless communication service, one can demand any TV shows, movies, sports, game shows, etc. a web series, and can surf an internet or download any required information file anytime. And the emergency alerts, that is if possible to alert emergency situation quickly through wireless communication. With the help of a wireless communication help and assist, we can reach the affected areas in emergency and crisis situations. And the next advantages is an accelerated business growth. A wireless communication can increase the number of product sales opportunities nowadays. A single click, that is an ad, can give you an order. Industry uses, not a single industry is there now in a day where the working without a wireless communication service. A worldwide connectivity, wireless communication connect the world under one roof. Billions of the people are directly exchange information through the technologies and nanosecond. A lower interference, a wireless communication has a low interference in a media as compared to the wireless communication due to the latest technology equipment used. Here are some like short advantages. Freedom for awards, easy to set up, and better global coverage, and data transmission is very fast and low maintenance, and it is expandable. And let me tell the disadvantages of an wireless communication. It is a limited range, and power consumption, and bandwidth constraint, and security risk, and it is low speed compared to a wired connection rather than a wireless connection, or physical obstacles. Applications of the wireless communication is a security system, television remote control as you are using daily life, and Wi-Fi. Actually, you need in this generation cell phones, computer interface device, various wireless communication based on the projects as you have done. Okay. Now let me conclude about wireless communication. In the conclusion, the wireless communication is a vital component of the modern society, and offering a numerous benefits and advantages over a traditional wired communication system. Its ability to provide a mobility, flexibility, scalability, cost efficiency, acceptability, and convenience, reliability, versatility, rapid deployment, and innovation, and make it indissoluble in various application and an environment. Thank you guys.